Hello everyone and welcome to the session of data science. In the previous session we have learned how to import and export data from CSV file. In today's session we are going to learn how to import and export data from Excel file. Before moving ahead, I'd like to quickly introduce myself. I'm Neha Oja and I work as a software engineer in Kpro Solutions Private Limited. Kpro is a leading provider in the field of analytics, data lake, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, cloud, and mobile applications. So let's not waste any time and look at today's agenda. So we'll start our session with installing Excel packages. Then we'll verify and load them. Then we will learn how to read these Excel files. So let's get started. We'll start with installing Excel packages by using Install.packages function in our console. Then we'll verify the packages using any function. Then we'll load them using library function, and at the end we'll try to read the content of the Excel file using read function. Read function read whatever present in the Excel file in our data frame. Let us demonstrate how to implement these things in our studio. So the first step in the entire process will be installing the packages, and that can be done using Install.packages function, and the argument we have to pass the name of the package. So let me show you how we can do it. So our packages are getting installed. You can also install the packages by going to tools, by clicking on install packages, and in the package box you have to give the name of the package you want to install. Once you click on the install, the packages will be installed. In my case, since I have already installed, I am clicking on the cancel. Once installing of the packages got finished, the next step in the process is verifying whether our package is installed or not, and we can verify it using any function. So let me show you how we can do it. The first argument in the any function will be the name of the package, and the second argument will be install packages function. If this any function will return true, it means the packages got installed successfully, else it is not installed. So here it is returning true, it means the packages got installed successfully. Now the next step is loading the package, and that can be done using library function. So in the argument of the library function, again you have to pass the name of the package you have just installed or you want to load. So our packages got loaded. Once the steps get completed, we can start with reading the Excel file. But before that, we should make sure that file is present in current working directory of R. If you want to know how to know the current working directory of R, or if you want to set the file location of the current working directory of R, you can refer my last video on importing and exporting data from CSV file. I'll provide the link of the video in the description. For now, let's read the Excel file. First, let's create a data frame using Read.xlsx function. So I'll give the name to my data frame as read data. The first argument in Read.xlsx will be the name of your Excel file. And the second argument will be the seat number which you want to read from your Excel file. So our data frame, which is containing all the data of sample demo file, got created. Let's go ahead and view it. So this is the data which is there in the Excel file. Now let's suppose we don't want to read the entire data of the Excel file. We want to read only the a fragment of data present in the Excel file. So for that, we have to use a start row and end row argument of the Read.xlsx function, and I'm creating the data frame for that as well, for reading the fragment of Excel file. Again, the first argument will be the name of the Excel file. Second argument will be seat index. Again, this will be 1. Third argument will be start row. I want to read data from third row. And the fourth argument will be end row. I want to read data till 7th row. So this data frame get created. Let's view this and see what is the data it contains. So it has data from starting from 4th row and ending till 7th row. So this is how we can read the data from Excel file. While installing our packages for Excel file, it also install dependent R Java packages. So while installing it, you might encounter this Java home can't be determined from the registry error, and this is because the Java which you have installed in your machine is not compatible with the R version you have installed. So to fix that, you have to install a Java version that fits to the type of R version you have installed in your machine. So that's all for today's session. In the next topic, we'll learn about how to import and export data from binary file. We'll learn what is binary file, writing into a binary file, reading the binary file. Thank you for watching this session. You can provide your valuable feedback in the comment section, or you can also write us at feedback@kpro.co.in. To learn more about the new technologies, you can subscribe our YouTube channel on blockchain, cloud, data science, ETL, data lake, DevOps, big data testing, and cloud testing. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Thank you once again. Let's keep learning.